Welcome back to my air fryer recipe series. This is recipe number 6 of 30. It's a whole roast chicken which I made in the air fryer, and the base of the marinade is Greek yogurt, and I have added some spices to make it flavorful with some lemon juice and olive oil. You'll find all the measurements in my blog post. Give it a quick mix and then the marinade is done. Now it's time to prepare the chicken, for which I have washed the chicken nicely and now pat drying to get rid of all moisture. I hope you can see that I have made some deep cuts in the chicken so that the marinade can go inside and make it flavorful. Putting marinade on one side, rubbing it all in, and then I will apply the rest on the other side. Now you can marinate it for minimum of 4 hours to overnight, and then it goes on the air fryer drawer, drizzle of olive oil, and then it will go for grilling 180 degrees for 20 minutes. I'll turn it over and do the same 180 for 20 minutes. Towards the end, what I like to do is I use the juice that has drained out from it. So I take it in a bowl and then pour it over the chicken. This will help it get really juicy and the skin will become all crispy. Goes in the air fryer for final 20 minutes and my air fryer whole roast chicken is all done. It's very crispy from the outside and juicy and tender from the inside. Follow for more upcoming air fryer easy recipes for dinner, breakfast, and more. Take care.